kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to a brand new video series on Android development using Kotlin language in Android Studio. Okay guys, so this will be a brand new video series, and in this series we will learn about Kotlin in Android development, and we will be building applications using the Kotlin language. All right, as of now I had made around 600 plus videos on Android development using Java language, but now I will be using the Kotlin language, and I will be teaching you on how we can migrate from Java to Kotlin. Alright, so the Kotlin is basically a very easy and very short programming language. So for example, if your Java code is of 100 lines, so if you write the code in Kotlin, that will be only 2 or 3 lines, right? So let's get started. So before we move forward, let me show you how we are going to learn the Kotlin language. So we will have some phases, and inside every phase we will learn a lot of things. Okay, so here I have a presentation and we have 3 phases of it. So first of all, we will learn about the we will be in the phase 1, and we will learn about basic controls like edit text, button, text views. Then we will learn about how we can create another activities, and then how to open the activity, and how we can send the data to that activity. All right, and then we will also learn about how to use the var and val variables inside our application. All right, and then we will have the phase 2, and inside our phase 2 we will be talking about array list, the data classes, the adapter using the recycler views, right? Then we will also learn about the Kotlin data classes, then the getters and setters of that class, and then another thing which we are going to learn is the spinner, and we will be populating the data inside the spinner widget using the array list. So basically the idea is you must know how to use the array list, as we are going to use array list in our many applications, right? And then finally we will be creating a basic application with the concepts of recycler view and array list, right? Okay, so I have forgotten things. So inside our phase 1 we will be creating an application, and that application will be like a simple calculator application. So it will use different functions, and we will also learn about the functions inside our phase 1, and then we are going to create the basic application using Kotlin, and we will be creating a calculator application for the sum, addition, subtraction and multiplication, right? Okay, so after this then we will move on towards our phase 3, which will be an advanced course, and that will be we will be using the Firebase SDK using Kotlin, and I will be teaching you on how we can integrate the Firebase library inside our application. So basically we will learn some concept like Firebase out, and then authentication and the Firebase database. Then we will be talking about the Firebase storage, right? And after we will complete this Firebase series, we will be talking about the Google Maps SDK using Kotlin in Android Studio. And then we will finally we will be creating an application that will use the login and register using the Firebase authentication as well as the Firebase database. After we will complete that application, we will also develop another application that will be using the Google Maps library, and then we will be able to show the Google Maps inside our activity and a location which we will specify using the latitude and longitude. All right, so this was a complete demo, and we will also be talking about phase 4, 5 and 6, but right now I will be focusing only on these 3 phases. Okay, so this was just an introductory video series on Kotlin, and we will be talking about the phase 1 in our next part of this video series. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.